Good morning, students. This is Johnny Basha, social teacher. Today topic is 10th class social lesson number 1 India relief features. Means the Indians relief features. Relief features mean in India different areas, different places we can't find same type of atmosphere, climate, vegetation, ground, the plateaus, rivers, everything. Different places we have different landforms, different atmosphere conditions, those things. Not the same in all places. Those things called relief features. So in this lesson, the Indian relief features, land reforms, the coastal lines, plateaus, rivers, those things I am going to explain. So next lessons, lesson number 2, ideas of development, people, climate condition, all these chapters are interlinked chapters. So first onwards we have to follow. The order here given, those orders we should follow. Otherwise very difficult to understand the next lessons. The first lesson is the most important lesson. So in this first lesson, here this chapter only saying about the Indians relief features, some world relief features only. The Andhra Pradesh relief features already you learnt 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th classes. Here the full-fledged information of Andhra Pradesh is not given. Only India and the world relief features information is only here given. So here world map point of view, I am saying the world. In the world we have 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. These 7 continents. Next oceans: Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctica Ocean, Hindu Ocean, next Arctic Oceans. This is the world map details here given. Next India point of view, here the India point of view, India location point of view. This is the globe divided 4 parts. This first part, this part is called the northern hemisphere. This part southern hemisphere. South side part southern hemisphere. North side part northern hemisphere. These are the east. These are the this location the east. This location is the eastern hemisphere, and here the western hemisphere. Okay, India located the northern hemisphere. India is located the northern hemisphere. Means this part is the northern hemisphere. This part northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, and the western hemisphere. India is located northern hemisphere, nearest to the eastern hemisphere also. So here, this is the location of India in the world map. So first this introduction part. Some relief features. Textbook has given some relief features. Those relief features only I will explain here. First of all, here the lines, the horizontal lines, these horizontal lines we call the latitudes. The vertical lines, these vertical lines we call the longitudes. Okay, with the help of the latitude, longitudes, here the degrees information, here everything given. Here the latitude, the degrees here, 8 degrees 4 minutes the latitude India is located. Here 37 degrees 6 minutes latitude. It's between latitude India is located. 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes. On the longitude point of view, the vertical lines, here the 68 degrees 7 minutes. Here the 97 degrees 25 minutes. Between this longitude India is located. This information once again I will explain. Listen. 8 degrees 4 minutes latitudes, 37 degrees 6 minutes latitude. India is located in the world map. And the longitudes, vertical lines point of view, 68 degrees 7 east side, west side to 97 degrees 25 east side. In this longitude, India is located. Here the location of India in the longitude latitude point of view, degrees here given. Okay, the distance from here to the Kashmir to the Kanyakumari distance here 3214 kilometers. Here the west to the east kilometers 2933 kilometers here given. The overall distances, the side and the width distance of India. So this India information here, some features. Next here the India, next feature, India three sides. The west side Arabian Sea, the south side Indian Ocean, and the east side Bay of Bengal. These three sides of India located the water. One side only, earth only, land only blocked. So three sides water, one side earth is called the peninsula. We call the peninsula. If the four sides water is there, I mean the Sri Lanka is the example, four side. We call the Sri Lanka is the island. Sri Lanka is the island because four side, Sri Lanka four side, all sides Sri Lanka has water. But India point of view, three sides only we have the water, one side land blocked. So three side water, one side land, we call the peninsula. Here the examples here given. Next feature, India point of view. Here the Andaman Nicobar Islands. These are the Andaman Nicobar Islands. These are Lakshadweep. This Andaman Nicobar Island, Indira Point is located. Indira Point is located. The 2000 Indira Point is located. 2004 after tsunami, this India point was destroyed due to effect of cyclone 2004 cyclone. Now this Indira Point is not there in Andaman Nicobar Island. Here the route is there from here to the route is there. Indira Point, India to Indira Point route is there. So this is the Indira Point detail. Next here the Himalayas. This north side Himalayas located. Here the north side Himalayas. Here the north side we have Himalayas. The north side. This part we have the Himalayas. The Himalayas, the height 6,100 meters with the comparison of sea level. So much of height is there here. So this effect of this height, we are not receiving winds of Arctic location, Arctic cool winds. So here the winds blocked this area. So here Himalayas ranges are located. If Himalayas ranges are not there here, the Arctic location cool winds enter directly in India, and we have the problem, the cool atmosphere will receive due to effect of Arctic winds. Here the Himalayas located, so the Arctic location, the Arctic winds blocked here, so cool winds we are not receiving. Why? Because the Himalayas block the Arctic cool winds. So with the help of the Himalayas, we are not receiving the Arctic cool winds. So the Himalayas are helping to us to control the cool winds from the North Arctic locations. So these are the some features. So there is a next feature. I will explain the next feature about the time point of estimation of the times. 1947 before, all countries in the world, only Britishers only controlling all the countries. So the baseline here, the India, here the one line is there. This is the Indian Standard Time. IST, Indian Standard Time. Here the longitude 82 degrees 30 minutes longitude. This line. Each country, here India we have the Indian Standard Time, Pakistan also, Pakistan, Arab countries, African countries, they have their own Standard Time, Pakistan Standard Time, Arab Standard Time. With the help of this Standard Time, Indian Standard, we are getting the time information. The base of this Standard Time, Britishers GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, Britishers England Greenwich Time, one line is there. So before 1947, before only Britishers only were controlling all the world. So we are taking the base language of GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. With the help of this is the base vertical line, longitude line. So this type of the this GMT help, we are this GMT in IST time is the in front or near the 5.5 hours ahead of GMT time. Here we are the head, we are the front, in the front of this one, near the ahead of the GMT time. The 5.5 hours, take the example of GMT and the IST comparison. In the England, the time is now the time is 1 o'clock. England time is 1 o'clock. If you add 5.5 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our time is 6.5 hours. Their time is 1 a.m. and the night 1 a.m. The night the morning 1 a.m. Here the morning 6:30 a.m. The 5.5 hours ahead of India from GMT to Indian Standard Time. All the countries, not only India, the base time is the GMT. So our time, the IST, with the help of the IST only, we can estimate the whole India. We have the same time. Now the different places, different times we don't have. Only one time, with the help of IST time, India, the timings only we are following. The other countries' time may change because all these lines affect. These are the information here given, the features, some features. So here given. So today in this lesson, today in this topic, I'll already explain about the GMT times, latitude, longitudes, the Himalayas, Nest Islands, Peninsula, Indira Point. Those things already I have explained in this class. But I will ask one question for you students. The question is, you will get the information. I will ask the question. Question is the Andhra Pradesh, the latitude degrees, longitude degrees, and the length of the Andhra Pradesh, the coastline length of the information you should gather. You should get. Okay, you will gather the information and please post me. Okay, students. Thank you. This is the introduction part of the India relief features. The next classes I will explain the remaining parts, geological background, the coastal lines, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Those things I will explain next coming classes. Okay friends, thank you.